I'm looking forward to that. I enjoy watching the Olympics and all of the events, except I can't watch the gymnastic events because I'm always afraid that they're going to like do all those flips and come down and like land on their ankle, like on the side and like bust their feet up. And
Now, if
I
they
don't
did
know.
like
So
Olympic bass fishing or something, I think I could get behind something like that. But
I might even get
all
into that.
these
I just
flip
like,
and tumble things, I guess it's a relate thing. I can't relate to it. Like if I tried to flip and tumble, I would just break stuff. So
it's just more of a
yeah,
tumble is what you're doing. Okay.
just a splat.
Yeah.